Hi, today we're gonna make shrimp with sugar snap peas, and that's the piece like that, you know. And we're gonna use about half a pound, a little bit more than half a pound. All you have to do is just take the both side, two side off like that, and you know they have you go take it off like that, and because they have a piece like that, you see that the tail top piece, you take it off, and that's it. The shrimp we're going to use, this is like 1620 large shrimp, and we use about a pound. So okay, then now we're going to marinate the shrimp. All you have to do is just put some little salt on it, little salt, and white pepper, little white pepper. Egg whites in it, one egg white, just one egg white. Then you just mix them up. Like that. We're going to use some, put some cornstarch in it. Put about that much, a little bit at a time. See, that's enough. Just enough to cover the shrimp. That's it. Also, you're gonna put some oil in it. Just a little bit. Okay. The time we're gonna turn on the heat. Okay. Okay, then I'm gonna wash my. And you heat up the pan, and we're gonna put some tablespoon of oil in it. You can see the smoke coming up, little smoke on, and you can put that in there. Okay, then you can see them start browning it, so you can turn them over, just like that. And now you can lower the heat to a medium heat. Yeah, you just cook the other side about a couple more minutes, and should be done. And make sure you turn the heat down, because you don't want to cook a slow heat, slow cooking. Not you don't want to cook it real fast. And if you cook it you turn the heat too high, and they will brown it too much color, maybe burn. You just let them slowly cook. But they pretty much well done. All right, then we start cooking the vegetable. We put some more oil into it. And you're still keeping the heat in the medium. Don't turn it too high. And we got the sugar pea here, and also we're gonna cook with some 1 teaspoon of chopped up gingers, and 1 teaspoon of chopped up garlic, and some white onion, the jumbo onion, and also a little carrot, slice. Okay. Yeah, it's hot. So you don't want to wait for too hot. So we're gonna put the the ginger and the garlic in. See, like that. You don't want to burn it. You just want to fry them, kind of make them the flavor coming out. You know when you fry them, and you put the onion in it, and also the carrot. Okay, then now you're gonna put the sugar beets in it. The sugar peas are real easy to cook. They don't usually have to cook it for a long time, and they will get real easy to cook them. You don't want to cook it too long and they overcook, so they get too soggy. Suppose you want it like real crispy. So you watch them, they turn in deeper color. You see that the color change deeper color. So they can cook food real easy. Okay, then we're gonna put some. We're gonna cook some sherry cooking wines in it. We cook probably around 4 tablespoons of sherry cooking wine. And now we're gonna put some about 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce in it. Yeah, you can see them cooking down pretty good right now. 1 teaspoon of sugar. And now we're gonna put the shrimp in it. Yeah, and then that's about it. And shut off the. So we're gonna put it on the plate. Okay, this is shrimp with sugar snap peas.